Boom. All right, guys, as you can see, got another review for you guys today. Today we won't be reviewing Vapor Maxes, but we'll be reviewing something much better. Backpacks. Don't want to show you guys the color here, but these backpacks were about $90 each, which totaled out to be $193. Super expensive. Oh, you guys saw the colors, but let's get into this. Let's get into this review here. Boom. 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 Alright, let's see. Alright, as you can see here, we got really nice packaging. Alright, we got one. Interesting. Two. What else we got in here? Alright, let's get into it. So here are the two backpacks. Right off the bat, we can see one is in a clear and one's mystery. But anyways, this one's called Thunderstorm Blue. So let me open it. Alright, here we got both of the backpacks right here. Right away, which one do you guys like more? I'm leaning towards this one. This one's like, it's like not everyone has this, you know? Not many people can invest $90 on a bag. $90 comes out to $193, like we said it in the beginning. As you can see here, we got our BCAs. But anyways, first impressions on these backpacks is color wave is hot. This one's like, it's the same thing, but this one's like, I'm trying to be low key about it, you know? I ain't trying to get like, oh my God, you have a nice backpack type look, you know? This is like look at my backpack, guys. Like, you know, this one's like, oh, you know, like, you get me, you know what I'm saying? But as we can see here, since this is a skateboarding backpack, you got the little straps right here to, you know, strap on the skateboard, I'm assuming. You know, put the little skateboard through there. I might have to go get a skateboard to see how that looks, you know. Really good straps. As you can see, it's like very hard for me to get it off. God damn. Alright. I mean, a lot of pockets here. You got a lot of zipper pockets. Really like it. As far as this one's, it's the same thing. It's just, I like this color because I can actually see the pockets. And like I said, here's the back. Oh, these are nice. You see how that has that nice elegant curve to it? And then you got the straps here, you know? So you like the backpack, no one steals your backpack, you know? Oh, what are we looking here? These are my favorite pockets. What do we got here? What do we got that here? Light desert camo. All right, cool things about this backpack that I already see right away that I like are these zippers here. Put a little storage, you know, a little storage in there. Yeah, you can fit a whole hand in there, as you can see. Half a hand, but you already know. All right, let's get into this one. First of all, big pocket, as you can see here. And you got more little compartments here. But you know, it's your nice Nike SB RPM backpack. You know, as you guys can see here, I'm not really used to doing reviews on backpacks, but according to what I'm reading here, this is like a skater's backpack. So are these different? 26L. Pretty sure these are different, but they're the same actually. But here they are, man. Alright, I already see one thing I don't like about this backpack is if you look down here, there's like almost like a little crevice down there that if like a pencil goes down there, it's gonna be really hard to get out, or like an eraser. But as far as the first pocket's really nice and sturdy. Alright guys, so this is with the skateboard on. I don't know, let me see. Will it hold up? Yeah, it pretty much holds up. That's what you get. This is what you guys are into. Like I said, I don't skateboard, but yeah,